Lesser used lamp holders such as the BC Continental can be hard to come by and are preferred by some, so I promise you that once you've watched through this video, you will know everything you need to know about this lamp holder straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I want to demonstrate this BC Continental lamp holder, what to expect when it arrives, how to disassemble it, wire it up and reassemble. Let's get started. So here we have the BC, we call it the BC Continental lamp holder because the skirt will take the Continental shade, which is a 40mm diameter, whereas a normal British BC lamp holder would take only a 29mm shade. So it comes to you ready assembled. It has a 10mm thread in the bottom. We simply unscrew the base, lift the skirt off, then pull out the insert and separate the cap, the end. At this point, when you get the lamp holder, we need to take a screwdriver and lift out the locking mechanism, so that will lock it in place when we tighten the thread when we reassemble it. These lamp holders don't have an earth terminal. They do have a locking screw, so when you screw it down onto the thread, you must ensure that the screw is locked down onto the thread to prevent it unwinding. We'll put the wire in, so it's a 2-core wire, thread it through the base first, and then you've just got 2 terminals, and it doesn't matter which terminal is which. So we'll start with the neutral wire, push it right through. As always, just gently tighten down. We'll do the same for the live wire, poke that through the terminal, and we tighten that down. Then we slide the unit down, and there's only one way it can go into the base. There we are, it's held in place. Once again, notice I've pushed the locking flange out, then hold it in place and screw the skirt down. And then you hear it ratcheting against the lock. And there we have wired up the BC lamp holder. As we mentioned, this will take the 40mm or European shades. So you need to purchase 2 of these rings to grip the shade. They just slide down, and then you'd have another one to grip the shade. Traditionally, so that's for a bayonet cap, we do the same fixing in a range of colours for the Edison screw. You'll see our videos on these. We've got the white, the black and the gold, and these are all Edison screw, again with the 10mm thread in the bottom, and they all accept the same shade ring. If you've decided this fitting is for you, you can purchase it right here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders, and please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.